Hello everyone, this is William here, and welcome back to the Will Trains videos, and I'm going to play Minecraft again. Today we are going to build is the Florida East Coast Railway GE ES44C4. And this engine was based off freight trains at Florida East Coast. What it looks like? It was requested for my videos, so here it is. And as you can see, I put some smaller details into this model, including the ditch lights on both sides, and I add the headlight on the nose. On both sides, I put dark arc buttons of the words Florida East Coast. And on the right side here, I add the door using a banner. And on top in the middle, I add a horn using anvil. And it's my second modern freight locomotive for this tutorial video. I did copy the same model from my Norfolk Southern GE-944CW, which is my first modern freight locomotive, except I had to do some changes into this newer model. First, at the front, I had to move the door from the right and put it on the left side, and I moved some air vents from both sides here. And at the further back, I moved the engine funnel to here, and I put slabs all around it to make it a little bit taller. And on both sides underneath, I add some slabs. On top, I made this part a little bit wider, and I extended this part at the very back. And that's why I did some changes into this newer model, but still, it looks pretty good. Alright, that's about it. Let's start building. So first, we're going to start adding wheels using black concrete. So put 2 of 2, input 2 of 2, skip 1, input 2 out of 2, input 2 of 2, skip 1, input 2 of 2, input 2 of 2, and you're going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, input 2 of 2, input 2 of 2, skip 1, input 2 of 2, input 2 of 2, skip 1, input 2 of 2, input 2 of 2. Next, we're going to use nether brick slab to put above of the wheels. Over here, you're going to put 2 out of 6. Input 2 here, skip 1, input 2 here, skip 1, input 3 here. On the other side, put 2 here, skip 1, input 2 here, skip 1, input 3 here. And do the same thing on the other end. And we're going to fill it in on the middle. Next, we're going to use nether brick stairs. Put 2 here. Put 2 here. Put 2 here. And put 2 of them in between. Like that. On the other side, put 2 here. Put 2 here. And put 2 here. And put 2 of them in between. And do the same thing on the other end. Next thing we're going to use is stone bricks. So right here on the middle, you're going to skip 1 and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're going to put 2 here, and put 2 here, and put 2 here, and put 4 here. Next, we're going to use black concrete. Put 2 here. On the other side, put 2 here. Next, we're going to use nether brick stairs. Put 1 right here, and put 2 of them facing this way. And do the same thing on the other side. And put 3 of them on the middle. This will be the cow catcher. And over here, you're going to put 2 of them on both sides using nether brick fence. And we're going to do the same thing on the other end. Next, on the middle, we're going to use black concrete. So we're going to fill on the middle. And on this side, you're going to skip 1, and put 1 here, skip 3, and put 1 here, skip 3, and put 1 here. On the other side, you're going to skip 1, and put 2 here, skip 1, and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we're going to use nether brick wall. Put 2 here. On the other end, put 2 here. On this side, you're going to put 3 here, and put 3 here. On the other side, you're going to put is nether brick stairs. And next, we're going to add a coupling rods using block of redstone and a piston. So put a block of redstone in here, and then put a piston in here. On the other end, put a block of redstone in here, and then put a piston in here. Alright, now we finished the undercarriage for the engine. Now the next step is going to be the body frame, starting with stone bricks. So we're going to start right here at the front and skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to put 3 out of 9. And put 3 out of 9. Next thing we're going to use is red concrete. So on this side, you're going to skip 2 and put 1 here, skip 1 and put 1 here, skip 2 and put 1 here, and you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we're going to use yellow concrete. Put 1 here, and on top, skip 2 and put 4 here, and put red concrete here. On the other side, you're going to skip 2 and put 1 here, skip 1 and put 1 here, skip 1 and put 2 here. And you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we're going to use yellow concrete. Put 1 here, on top, skip 2 and put 4 here, and put red concrete here. Next, over here, we're still going to use red concrete. Put 2 of them on the side, and on the other side, put 2 out of 4. Next, we're going to use black concrete. Put 2 of them on the side, and put 2 out of 6 on top. Next, you're going to put red concrete on the middle, and on the front, we're going to use yellow concrete. Put 1 on the middle, and on the side, put 3 blocks here. And right behind it, we're going to use red concrete. We're going to start right here and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1 and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 1 and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And do the same thing on the other side. on this side, we're still going to use red concrete. So you're going to put one here, skip one, and put one here, skip one, and put one here. On the other side, you're going to put 4 blocks here, and put 4 blocks here using yellow concrete. Next, over here, we're going to use red concrete. So you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24 blocks long. And we're going to add a second layer. So on this side, you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Skip 1 and put 1 here, skip 2 and put 2 here. On the other side, you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Skip 1 and put 1 here, skip 1 and put 1 here, skip 1 and put 1 here. And on the middle, we're going to fill all the way across. Once again, we're going to add another layer, only this time we're going to use yellow concrete. So on this side, we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Skip 2 and put 1 here, skip 2 and put 2 here. On the other side, you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Skip 2 and put 1 here, skip 1 and put 1 here, skip 1 and put 1 here. On the middle, you're going to fill all the way across and put 2 here at the back. And next, we're going to fill on top using red concrete. Next, at the very top, we're still going to use red concrete. We're going to start right here on the side and skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And put 3 blocks here and skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And put 1 here, skip 2 and put 1 here, skip 1 and put 7 blocks here. And on the other side, we're going to start here and skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and put 3 blocks here and skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And put 1 here, skip 1 and put 2 here, skip 1 and put 1 here, skip 1 and put 5 blocks here. And on the middle, you're going to put 2 here, skip 1 and put 9 blocks here. And you're going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks long. Next, we're going to use red nether brick stairs. Put 2 here. And put 1 here. On the other side, put 2 here. At the front on top, put 4 here. On the other side, put 4 here. At the back, put 3 here. And put 1 here. Skip 4. And put 1 here. And put 1 here. Skip 3. And put 1 here. And do the same thing on the other side. Next thing we're going to use is red nether brick slab. Put 1 here, and put 6 here, and do the same thing on the other side. And over here, put 3 here, and put 2 here, and put 3 here. Next, on both sides at the front, you're going to put 2 here, and put 2 here, using the brick stairs. On top, we're going to use quartz slab. On the middle, skip 1, and put 1 here, skip 1, and put 1 here. Next, at the back, we're going to use stone brick stairs. Put 4 here, and put 3 here. Next, you're going to put 2 here, using stone brick slab. And do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to use clay. Put 1 right here, put 1 right here, put 1 right here, and put 1 right here. Next, we're going to use arc fence. Put 2 here. On the other side, put 2 here. On the other end, put 1 here. On the other side, put 1 here. Next, on both sides, we're going to use another brick fence. So on this side, you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put 2 here, and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and put 1 right here. On the other side, you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and put 1 right here. And on both ends, put 2 here, and put 2 here, put 2 here, and put 2 here. Next, we're going to add air vents using bedrock. Next, over here, you're going to put is cauldron, will be the engine funnel. Next, we're going to use black stained glass. Put 2 here, and put 2 here. And next, we're going to use black stained glass paint. Put 2 here. On the other side, put 2 here. Alright, now we finished the outside. Now the next part, we're going to add the inside of the driver's cab, starting with stone bricks. So you're going to put 3 here. Next, we're going to use stone brick stairs. There'll be some seats. Next, we're going to use the lever. Put 2 here. Next, we're going to use stone button. Put 2 of them on the middle. Next, at the back, we're going to add some lights using the torch. Put 2 of them on both sides. And next, on top, you're going to put is mangrove trapdoor. Alright, now we finished the driver's cab. Okay, now we're going to put some final touches for this model. So first, we're going to use dark arc button. Put 2 of them at the very front. And on both sides, we're still going to use dark arc button for the full name words of Florida East Coast. We're going to start right here and put 1, 2, 3. Skip 1 and put 1, 2. Skip 1 and put 1, 2, 3. And do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to use mangrove button. We're going to start right here at the very back and skip 2 and put 1 here. Skip 1 and put 1 here. And over here, you're going to skip 1 and put 1 here. Skip 1 and put 1 here. And at the very front, you're going to skip 1 and put 2 here on both sides. Next, we're going to use stone button. So on this side, you're going to skip 2, and put 1 here, skip 2, and put 1 here, and you're going to put 1 right here, and put 1 here, skip 1, and put 1 right here. On the other side, you're going to skip 2, and put 1 here, skip 1, and put 1 here, skip 1, and put 2 here, skip 1, and put 2 here, and put 1 here, skip 1, and put 1 right here. And over here, you're going to put is the nether brick fence. Next, on top, we're still going to use stone button. So you're going to put 1 right here, and put 1 right here, and put 2 here, skip 1, and put 2 here, and right here, you're going to skip 3, and put 2 here, skip 1, and put 2 here. Next thing we're going to use is tripwire hook, put 2 here. Next, we're going to use the ladder, put 2 of them on both sides. On the other end, we're going to do the same thing. Next, we're going to use arc trapdoor. On this end, put 2 here. And on the other end, put 2 here. And put 2 here. Next, on both sides underneath, we're going to use dark arc trapdoor. And on top, we're going to use mangrove trapdoor. Put 3 here, put 3 here, put 3 here, and put 3 here. Next, you're going to put 1 right here using anvil. That will be the horn. Next thing we're going to use is black carpet to cover it. Put 1 here, and put 2 here, and put 2 here. On the other end, put 1 right here. Next, we're going to use gray carpet to cover it. Put 5 here. And on the other end, put 3 here. On top, we're going to use red carpet to cover it. So you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the back, put 5 here, put 1 here, and put 1 right here. Next, at the front, you're going to put is iron door. Next, we're going to use item frame. Put 2 here, and put 1 right here. On the other end, put 1 right here. Next thing we're going to use is sea lantern. Put 2 here. These will be ditch lights. And put 1 right here. That will be the headlight. On the other end, put 1 right here. That will be the reverse light. Next, we're going to use branch sign. Put 2 here. On the other end, put 2 here. These will be number plates. Next, we're going to use dark arc sign. So on both sides of the cab, put 2 here. On the other side, put 2 here. These will be number plates. And we're going to put each sign on the clay blocks from both sides and at the very back. Put 1 right here. Put 1 right here. And put 1 right here. These will be Florida East Coast Railway Flagger System logos. And then on both ends, you're going to put 2 here. And put 3 here. These will be the stripes. And the next final part for this engine will be adding banner behind the driver's cab. And that will be the door on the right side. So we are going to use black banner, red dye, and yellow dye. So you're going to use is loom, as you can see. So you're going to put is black banner here. And next, you're going to put is red dye here. And you're going to click right here and switch. And next, you're going to click right here and switch. Next, you're going to remove the red dye and replace yellow dye. And you're going to click right here. And there you go. Now it's time to put the banner. And you're going to put the banner right here. Alright, that's about it. How to build the Florida East Coast Railway GE ES44C4. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoyed the Will Trains videos, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!